In this video, I will be showing you how to use the Antigravity CLI. So let's get started. First thing, just Google Antigravity CLI. We'll be getting the official blog from Google. Click here, and here we'll be having lot of information about the Antigravity CLI. If you just scroll down, we'll be having this Antigravity CLI. Just open it, and if we scroll down, we'll be having Antigravity CLI and the commands to install it in Mac and Linux, Windows PowerShell or Windows command prompt. So you can choose whichever the way you want to. I am using Windows, so I will just copy it and open command prompt, paste it and hit enter. After we run this command, it will say Antigravity CLI binary placed at this particular location. So what we are doing is just minimize it and open new command prompt, and here we can just run the command AGY and hit enter. And as you can see, we are getting welcome to the Antigravity, and it's prompting us to sign in. So if it asks you to sign in, make sure that you are signing in. After that, just select the color theme of your choice. It will show you a preview over here, and enter to confirm. I will do that, and if you want to agree or not, that's up to you. So I will just click on done, and it says it requires permission. I will just give yes, I trust. Here we will be getting an interface where we can type our prompts, and below that it says question mark for shortcuts. So I will just type question mark, and as you can see, these are the shortcuts that are available, the keys along with their function. And it also says left and right arrow or tab to cycle. So if I go with left arrow, these are the commands that are available. So if I use the down arrow, there are 34 commands over here. So these many commands are there. You can simply like go through it. If we click escape, we'll be taken back over here. So I'm just going to ask, can you create me a to-do list in HTML and CSS over here? If you go to antigravity.google/docs/CLI overview, here we'll be having an entire documentation. What are the features and what are the best practices of using Antigravity CLI? So if we go here, we are having the getting started. These are stuff that we did, and we are having the AGY CLI, the configuration settings and other stuff. Here also we are having some shortcut keys, exact same thing that we saw earlier. We are having the features, so you can just go through it. We are having the commands, permissions, model, everything is present over here. Logout if you want to like change an account or something. And we are having the migration from the Gemini CLI, and it has created the 3 files, the HTML, CSS and JavaScript. And here we are having the key features also: premium design, micro animations, persistence and responsiveness. It says it works perfectly on desktop and mobile screens. And the thing that I like is I just gave a simple prompt. I didn't even ask for any of these stuff, but it has taken the stuff on its own and it has beautifully presented it over here. So I'll just ask it to open it on its own. Can you please open in the browser? And I will just click yes, and it has done it. We are having the to-do list, so I'll just go with demo 1 and add. Yep, it's over here. You can delete it. It's active, completed. I'll just go with demo again, add it. So it's not inactive, it will be in completed, clear completed. That looks amazing. Yeah, it has beautifully done it. And as usual, if you want to know any comments, you can just use it. Alright, that's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.